The internet is evolving, and it's getting smarter, more secure, and more decentralized. Welcome to the world of Web3, blockchain, and cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll break down what these terms mean, how they work, and how they're changing the future of technology. What is blockchain? Blockchain is like a digital ledger, but instead of being kept in one place, it's shared across many computers. Every time someone makes a transaction, a new block of data is added to the chain, and once it's added, it can't be changed. That makes it secure and trustworthy. Blockchain powers many things, including cryptocurrencies and Web3 apps. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money that uses blockchain technology to work. It doesn't rely on banks or governments. Instead, it's powered by code and run by users. Examples of popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like USDC. What is Web3? Web3 is the next phase of the internet built on blockchain. Instead of big companies owning your data, Web3 gives you more control. With Web3, apps run on smart contracts, code that lives on the blockchain and can't be tampered with. You also get true digital ownership. That means your NFTs, crypto tokens, and in-game items actually belong to you, not just the platform. How are they different? Blockchain is the technology. Cryptocurrency is a use of that technology. It's digital money. And Web3 is a new way of building apps using blockchain and crypto. Blockchain equals the system. Crypto equals the money. Web3 equals the future internet. Real-world examples. Bitcoin is used as digital gold. Ethereum is used to build apps like Uniswap. Web3 platforms like OpenSea let users trade NFTs directly. In Sierra Leone and Africa, crypto can help send money fast without relying on traditional banks. Conclusion: blockchain, cryptocurrency, and Web3 are changing how we store data, handle money, and use the internet. Want to learn more? Follow us, Krio, and start exploring the Web3 world today.